shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for July 22nd. We're going to start with the SPY. Yeah, right now it's a little bit of a doji on the daily candle. We're going to be bullish above 325.37, and we are going to be bearish below 323 today. Let's head on over to the E-minis. Bullish above 32.55. Now just watch these moving averages right here. Oh, we're good. Yeah, you don't want to ever go long when we're below the 200 exponential or the 200 simple. That's a brick wall. Yeah, if we went up, hit it, and then we forged our way through, yes, that's when you want to enter with high volume. So put those guys on your charts. All right, we're going to be bearish below 32.30 for the E-minis, and let's go head on over to the Russell. All right, the Russell, I'm going to be bullish above 148.25 and bear below 146 for the Russell. Let's head on over to the Qs. So the Qs have been very heavy with dark pool activity. Yeah, around this 260 area. So we are above it. Are we splashing? I don't know. We'll find out soon. In the bigger picture, 270 is a really key level. But if we do head down and go below 260, put your shorts on. All right. Bullish above 266 today for a day trade. Bear below 263.50 for a retracement trade. Let's head on over to the Nasdaq futures. NQ. Bullish above 10,925. Bear below 10,800. And let's find our oil futures. They are up here. They are. All my futures right here. All right. Oil futures, we're going to be bullish above 42.25. We've broken out, but we've retraced. Yeah, this is going to be, hold on a minute. Let me just move this over. Wait. Hold on a sec. Oh, you know what? These guys are August, and I think I've run out of time on them. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to do a September futures when I'm done. All right, so yeah, these are not, these are stuck. So let's move on to gold. Whoops, they're running out of, we're July already, so I have to switch over to September. All right, let's head on over to gold. Yeah, ignore these guys. Gold, we're going to be bullish above 1860. We've hit our first target. See how we went up to 1862.80? See that? And we pushed. Yeah, this is so key. So moving forward, if we break above that, there's a very big trade on gold. But let's just look at the weekly chart so you can see what I'm talking about. This trend line we've been watching. Let's see if we upthrust it this week. See how we upthrusted it back here and then we fell down, or if we stay strong and close above it. If we stay strong and close above it, look out, you guys. I see much higher highs for gold. Yeah, 1900 next stop. So that's going to be really key to watch. All right, let me move these guys over here. And let's get going with, oh, one more, silver futures. How could I forget silver, you guys? Silver. I know people thought I was crazy yesterday for saying silver is going to go to 26. We're halfway there. I got some messages on Twitter going, that's a crazy target. Well, we have short squeeze happening. All right, you can see the shorts have gone up. I did a blog the other day showing you that it was down here. Look at that, they doubled almost. Yeah, and they're getting squeezed, which means it's going to push it higher, and they're being very stubborn. So yeah, I can definitely see us coming all the way up to this resistance area, about that 26 level. and we are well above all the dark pool prints. So I did some silver futures for you today. Bullish above 22.50, bear below 21.75. Okay, that would be a retracement trade. I've also got levels on silver, but I think we've hit almost all of our targets already. I put that out earlier. Neo bullish above 13.06, bear below 11.80 for Neo. Now, remember I told you we normally go to this gap, right? The gap fake out trade and bounce it up. Now are we moving down to fill the gap? This is that next trade setup, but we're going to only be bearish below 11.80. Let us go below this 15 EMA on the daily chart. If we do, that's when I would go for that gap fill trade. All right, so let's head on over to silver. SLV. Yeah, bullish above 20.75. That was this morning. I put that out. You can see we've already gone up and hit all of our swing targets. Yep, came 5 cents short of 21.50. So 21.50 is the next key level, obviously bullish above that. And we're just going to keep rolling our options in the Java pit. That's been our best trade this week. Yeah, crazy, right? Let's look at XLF. So XLF, we are currently above those 24.10 prints. It's been splashing around a little bit. Yep, we really need to close above this trend line to be uber bullish for a longer swing up to 24.80. Or even higher. We've had massive prints, but if they're selling and we do go below this 23.75, yep, uber bearish. So watch those levels first. So I put quite a few swings in here for you guys to watch. We have Snap is next. Snap, we got bullish above 23.60. Yeah, definitely got hit after an earnings report yesterday. So is it going to retrace and come back up to the 4 and the 8, or is it going to turn around and come down here? Now this is an old dark pool level, by the way. 21.15 was massive. Yep, so it might retest that 2.7 million down there. So bearish below 22.50 down to that dark pool, or bullish above 23.60 for a retracement trade. Watch that 15 exponential moving average on a 5-minute chart. So after the first 15 minutes, it's that green dotted line here. It's kind of hiding behind it right now. After the first 15 minutes, if we're above it, it's usually a drop and pop. Or if it's below it, it's a drop and drop. So using the levels, the 15 EMA, and the pivots is how we would trade that one. Let's go to gold, GLD. GLD. Paul's telling me there's a seller on the book at 21.60. Hold on a minute. Look at the ARCA book. Yeah, there is a little guy. 13,000. Yeah, not big though compared to the short volume. Yeah, but we'll watch it. Yeah, they've been pretty much taking everybody out, by the way. All right, so GLD, we're going to be bullish above 175. That is a key level. Yep, love gold. Gold is really hot as well. Bear below 173.75 for a retracement trade. Let's head on over to, UAL already reported. Yeah, so looking at this daily chart, it's stuck. It is stuck in all these moving averages, but the fact that it reported, it might move today. So bullish above 34 for a move up to this green moving average, a 30 simple moving average, or bear below 32.80 for a move down. There was a big buyer at 32. Let me see if he's still there on ARCA. He was pretty big, actually. Yeah, look at that. That's a big guy. I had 2 zeros, 122,000. Yep, so that's why my last target was 32.12, last 8, and the fact that there's a big buyer if they take it down. Okay, but watch this through 32.80. See how they bounced it quite a few times there? Yep, key level. Let's head on over to Mr. Softy. Microsoft has earnings after the bell. It could be a runner. Do not hold it into earnings unless you want to gamble, and we're not, we don't want to gamble. but we will trade this pre-earnings momentum and post-earnings momentum tomorrow. Bullish above 212.50 and bear below 210 for Microsoft. Tesla also. Earnings after the bell. Again, please don't hold it into earnings. We will be bullish above 1620 today for a day trade. Bear below 1575 for Tesla. And let's check out TLT. We are above really big prints. I love this as a swing trade. Bullish above 168.06 and bear below 167. There you have it. Those are your whispers for July 22nd. Until next time, happy trading.
No thinking, that's my